Render to Caesar the things that are Caesar's, and to God the things that are God's. This biblical statement is the foundation stone upon which Christianity's relation with the secular authority is built. But despite the separation between the church and the state that the statement implies, it was not until the Renaissance that the statement became fact. And now, at least for the West, God and Caesar stand apart. Today, the statement has become relevant once again, not for the officially secular West, but this time it's a totally different set of people with a totally different set of beliefs and a totally different ideology altogether. This time, it is Islam. I'm Ovais Mangalwala, and during the next few weeks, the state of Sharia will walk through Muslim history and turn the pages of politics in Islam. Fundamentalists, radicals, extremists. This is what Muslims are being termed as. Another name given to them is terrorists.
They're fanatics. They're motivated out of hate. The only way to treat them is like they are, cold-blooded killers, and run them down.
Whether it is the World Trade Center or the London or Bali bombings, many terrorist activities around the world have all been linked to them. There are many who constantly promote that Islam is essentially intolerant and expansionist.
Islam is, according to me, a violent religion.
And the establishment of an Islamic state on the basis of rules formulated 1400 years ago is impractical. The political ideology of Islam is constantly under attack today, and its 1.5 billion followers who live in almost every country of the world stand confused about how to defend their religion and themselves. Does Islam actually have a political ideology? Does it want to establish itself as a global order? What happened to the Muslim civilization that contributed so much to the world during its golden era? And have we actually become terrorists as it is being portrayed in the whole of Western media? And how does this affect you and me, the common Muslims? To find the answers to big questions related to the philosophy, we will speak to people from all walks of life. A father and son who have dedicated their life to the establishment of Khilafah in the Muslim world.
Revolutions are always brought about by a minority, never a majority. क्या रशिया में कम्युनिस्ट मेजॉरिटी में हो गए थे?
स्टेट का रिलीजन इस्लाम है। हमें अगर अल्लाह ने इज्जत दी है तो इस्लाम के तो फैल दी है। अगर इस्लाम से हमारी वाबस्तगी कम पड़ जाएगी तो फिर सब खत्म।
Muslim scholars who are termed modernists and liberals.
आप एक नसीहत करने वाले बनाकर भेजे गए हैं। आपका काम दरोगा बनकर लोगों के ऊपर किसी चीज़ को मुसल्लत करना नहीं है। मेरा तो एक दो टोक वाज़े नुक्ता नज़र है। एक डेमोक्रेटिक स्टेट, नाइदर इस्लामिक नॉट सेकुलर।
Orthodox Muslim scholars.
अब कोई ये न कहे कि इस्लाम एक तंग नज़र दीन है, इसमें ज़माने के साथ चलने के लिए स्पेस नहीं है. These allegations or presumptions are void, invalid, unjustified.
An Islamist who does not subscribe to the Islamist ideology now.
I was in Egypt, where I was arrested, taken to their torture facilities and then convicted to 5 years in prison for being a member of Hizb ut-Tahrir. But due to my studies in prison and due to my discussions with other former Islamists and former Jihadists, I decided eventually that I could no longer maintain the lie of Islamism.
Another Islamist who still believes in the idea.
On one hand, there is occupation from the invasion and occupation from the West, which the Muslim world sees as the crusading armies, a repeat of the Crusades. On the other hand, there is no mature response from the Muslim world which can represent the ethos, feelings, emotions, and protect the honor and dignity of the Muslim lands. We were Islamists. We are Islamists. We were the people who took the global view of Islam, and we understood that Islam as an ideology is our option.
And also Muslim families who are breeding a new generation of Muslim youngsters. Muhammad Zakwan is just 3 years old, and he believes that he is under constant observation of his Almighty. Born in a middle-class Muslim family, his parents have inculcated these values in him.